Morning everybody, welcome to Road Rodent Restore. I'm John. In this video we're going to be making a tool that can remove cylinder head valve springs out of that or that, whichever works. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Right then, this is the CBR 1000F cylinder head. As you can see, all the springs are already removed in the valve, so it just goes to show that the tool I'm about to make really works. So first of all, let's check the G-clamp, see if that works. No, it's not going to work because the G-clamp is just not wide enough. The jaws are not wide enough to go around the cylinder head, so it would have been the best choice to use this, I suppose, to make a tool, but it doesn't work, so let's try the other tool. So this one goes over the cylinder head nicely. It's got a nice wide gap, but the ends of the jaws do not reach the valves or the valve springs. So we are going to have to find something that will help us reach the valves and the springs. So let's manufacture something that works from whatever we can find. Okay, so I found this old box spanner. This will definitely come in useful. So let's cut it to bits. Okay, so as you probably guessed, I have no plans or drawings for making this tool. I'm just making it up as I go along. So this box spanner, I've made it too big, so I'm going to have to cut it down to size. Right then, as you can see, I didn't get a very straight cut, so I put some more tape around it to make a straight edge, so I can try to grind it in a straight edge. Okay, so this is something I made on my welding course a year ago or so. This is why I bought it home, because I knew I was going to be doing something like this to it. So I could cut it up and use the steel for things like this. Perfect. Right then, so this is actually a fixing plate for the front brake caliper on my XJ900S diversion. I saved it in the scrap box just in case it might come in useful later. And guess what? This is perfect to do the job I want it to do. Okay, so that is perfect to valves underneath the cylinder head, but now we need to make something to hold the springs. So with a couple of drill holes and a couple of bolts, I came up with this. So this is a perfectly simple way of marking out where you want to drill your bolt holes with a tin of aerosol paint spray. Simple. Right then, so the bolt heads that I am using are too large to fit into the hole snugly, because they are catching on the plastic bodywork of the clamping tool. So I'm going to have to drill a third hole through the body of the clamping tool so the bolt heads are not touching the body of the clamp. Hope that makes sense. So there you go. I'm sure you will all agree that is another great tip from Mr. Miserly's Cheapskate Skills. So there you go then, that is how I made my valve spring compression tool. Yes, this was supposed to be a Wednesday video, but for some very important reason I put it on a Saturday, and the reason for that is because it's the only video I've got. So yes, I hope it's been of some use to some people. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you check out all my stuff down in my description, and stay well, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.
I'll see you in another life, brother.